Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Amazon order. Now let's take an example. If I want to maybe order for one of these skinny jeans. Now to cancel an order, obviously let me first show you how you can make one. So you shall add this to the cart. Now add that to cart. You can see the prices. Then after adding it to cart, obviously we shall come over here up. Then tap on cart. Now once you tap on cart over here, you can see the subtotal is $67. Okay. Now just click on proceed to check out and then make your payments. After which you then choose your payment method and address. Now if you want to cancel this order before it's delivered, what you'll do is quite simple. Come back over here and then tap on this profile section over here, which says your name. Then scroll down in the account section, choose orders. Now, once you choose orders, you see the pending orders, okay? Now, you can even filter out over here and then choose the past 30 days, past 3 months, or the year 2026. So, obviously, in the past 30 days, if the order I've just made it right now, it must appear here. So, you just see the cancel icon over here on the sides and then go ahead and cancel. So, basically, that's it. Thanks for watching.